Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to render online of 3ds Max scene and how you can use cloud rendering service. There are multiple online rendering services are working. Now we gonna use Fox Render Farm. Here is the 3ds Max scene you can see. Make sure your scene and texture everything is perfect. Go to the render setting. In common you adjust the resolution as you want. In scene section, you have to set the pass limit and noise level. Multiple cameras are already adjusted. No need to adjust the cameras in batch render for the Fox Render Farm. Everything is okay, you just have close the file. Now open the Fox Render Farm. First you have to download the Fox Render Farm that I show you in previous video. Download link down below. Log in the account. In the analysis list section. To upload the project, you have to drag the Max file here. Software configuration setting will be open. You can edit the software configuration setting according to your software version. You can see I'm using 3ds Max 2024 and using Corona Render 12. Click on Next. So it will start analysis of your file. It will take few minutes. Analysis is done. Click on Check. There are no error, just ignore the warning. Click on Ignore and Continue. In Common Setting, you can select the cameras or mark it all. You can change the name of render output. I'm going to change the name according to the camera. Just click on Submit. Now file is uploading. After upload the file. In the Render Jobs section, you can see file is submitting. After submitting it will show the status pre-processing. And you can see all your cameras in waiting. Few minutes later it will automatically start rendering. I show you on the browser. It's same account login. Here is the balance showing in overview. Here is assets and submit section. You can also directly upload the file from submit section. In rendering section you can see your file. I show my previous project which I done from Fox Render Farm. In details you can see the time and expense of this render. To go to the render location, In the Fox render farm, right-click and you can easily go to the location to see the original image. Now it's showing the rendering status. If you click on the rendering image, you can see the details about rendering. That how much time it will take and how many passes are done. You can show the image during render that everything is fine, no need to stop the rendering. As you can see other images. Hope you will like this video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. And leave the comment. Thanks for watching.